It's a showdown in San Diego as elected officials there are at odds over how much they should cooperate with the incoming Trump administration's mass deportation plan. San Diego County supervisors voted 3-1 Tuesday to make San Diego a so-called super sanctuary county. The new policy would prohibit its sheriff's department from working with ICE and federal authorities to deport migrants, even when migrants are in custody for committing crimes. Current state sanctuary law makes exceptions for local and federal authorities to cooperate in cases of migrants committing violent crimes. The San Diego County Sheriff says she will defy the new policy while continuing to follow state law. Nora Vargas, a county supervisor who brought forth the proposal to not allow federal and local cooperation in deportations, said we will not allow our local resources to be used for actions that separate families, harm community trust, or divert critical local resources away from addressing our most pressing challenges. Another supervisor who voted for its passage argued residents are less likely to report crimes if they believe that person could get deported, resulting in a family separated. The only supervisor who voted against it argued the policy is protecting criminals, not San Diego residents and law-abiding migrants.
Making sure that people know that they can report crimes to the sheriff and that they don't need to be concerned that that's going to immediately trigger deportation strongly outweighs any potential concerns.
This proposed legislation, to me, seeks to prioritize the interest of illegal criminal immigrants over the safety of law-abiding immigrants and citizens. I don't think we can continue down this path.
After the proposal passed, the sheriff, a Democrat, responded, saying the Board of Supervisors does not set policy for the sheriff's office. The sheriff, as an independently elected official, sets the policy for the sheriff's office. State law allows for the sheriff's office to share release dates for individuals who are in sheriff's custody only if they have qualifying convictions for specific serious, violent, or sex crimes. The sheriff isn't the only elected official to speak out against the new policy. A local mayor in San Diego County is also publicly voicing his opposition in a video message on X.
This is really super tone deaf if you consider what just happened in the last election. Most of America wants this border crisis to be resolved. I think that when you're an elected official, you have an obligation to stand by the rule of law. And if the federal government wants to enforce immigration policy, it is up to us to cooperate.
While the Board of Supervisors voted to prohibit local authorities from alerting federal ones of someone in the country illegally who is in custody, it's a reversal of how the board voted in 2018. 6 years ago, the Trump administration sued California over its sanctuary state legislation, and the San Diego Board of Supervisors then joined Trump's lawsuit against the state in a 3-1 vote, arguing the state's sanctuary law was obstructing communication and cooperation between local and federal law enforcement authorities, particularly regarding the release of undocumented offenders into the community. Thanks for watching our news update. For more stories that matter to you, download the Straight Arrow News mobile app or visit us online at san.com.